Hey you guys, so I'm excited about this review I'm gonna do, y'all. So I recently got a package from Sexy Smooth Wax, if y'all cannot see. And they gave me some wax to try out and review for you guys, just to tell you guys kind of like, how I feel about it and like, if it's a good wax. So we're gonna go ahead and try that today. It took me a minute to get it open, but I got it open. So, there you have it. We're trying the Golden Allure. Well, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and take it and pour it into my wax pot. Everything is clean and ready. So, just going to see what it does. I'm going to fill it up. Alright, we got it filled up. By the way, this is 2 pounds of wax. So, we are going to see what this does and how it melts down. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my wax pot on. Oh, I put on a strip and I wasn't even recording. I thought I was. Lord. But anyways, I'm going to just put down a second strip just so y'all can see it. But the wax is dried down. I already put on 1 strip. I'm going to go in the direction of hair growth. I'm going to put a second strip. It's going to be like a small minor strip right here. And I'm going to pull off the first strip. So we dumped it off. Make sure you apply enough pressure. Get that wax going. Create your lip. Make sure you smooth around the edges. This one wasn't as good as the first one, but like, we're working on it, right? Got you a nice little strip there. Make sure that it's not going to snap or break. We're going to go ahead and take off the first strip, which is right here. And there you have it, y'all. Look. It took off so much hair, y'all. Look. Y'all see that? Oh my god. This is some good wax, y'all. Like, look. Look at that. That is like literally. What? And my skin is so smooth. Okay, so we're gonna take off this second strip. I know I'm gonna have to do the rest of my arm, but like, I have somewhere to go after this. So, go ahead and take that one off. Y'all, look at that. Hold on. Y'all see that? They literally took off a lot of hair. That's some good wax. Like, I literally give this wax probably like a 10 out of 10. Simple fact because, of course, I love the color. But the wax came off very smooth. It dried down very fast. It melted pretty fast. And, like, I just like this wax. Like, compared to all the other waxes that I've tried, we're not going to mention them, but this wax is a pretty good wax. I'm probably going to get that middle strip, so I'm going to show it in real time, y'all. Which I really already did one, but I'm going to show this in real time. We're going to get that little middle strip that I missed. A little bit of wax right here, right? Put it right down in that middle part. Dump it off. Go ahead and apply that pressure. Make sure you get it all the way around there. At a 90-degree angle. Make sure you smooth it out. Smooth your edges out. Have that lip right there, right? And y'all, I swear, this wax dries down so fast. Like, this is like a good wax. Last strip. Take it and do it like this. And you guys see that last middle strip on there? Like, what? Y'all, look. Y'all see the little hairs? That's literally the best part, y'all. The little hairs. Like, come on now. You cannot say this wax doesn't pick up every hair, because I literally have no hair left on that part. If you look at it compared to right here, I only went to like this part. And then this hair right here is all gone. Like, y'all need to get y'all a package from Sexy Smooth Wax. Like, come on now. This is the best wax out there.